We're so excited you're here to get set up and walk through your first Experience Toddler curriculum box. Experience Curriculum is an easy-to-implement, research-based curriculum system that includes hands-on learning materials. It has been empowering and supporting educators for over 30 years and is now seamlessly integrated with Brightwheel's all-in-one childcare software. If you're not currently a Brightwheel user but would like to become one to take advantage of digital lessons, lesson plans, and assessments in the Brightwheel app, click the Getting Started link in the video description. This video is broken up into focus sections. You can navigate to different parts of the video using the toolbar below if you would like to rewatch specific sections in the future or with your teachers. You can also go to experiencecurriculum.com or email us to get more support. Our expert design Experience Curriculum Kit is mailed directly to your program each month. Experience Toddler Curriculum is designed to help teachers support each child's natural growth and development through responsive care and sensory learning experiences. It is designed to nurture each child's unique potential and connect with their expanding curiosity about our diverse and beautiful world. Let's open an Experience Toddler Curriculum Kit and look at the resources we have packed inside. When you first open your box, you will find a Getting Started kit, circle time bag, and 4 weekly bags. This kit is all about me, but no matter what theme you have, it will be organized the same way. With your first order, you'll receive a Getting Started kit that includes a Getting Started guide, continuum poster, circle time board titles, a weather station, daily routine cards, transition and tune cards, and a pocket cube. First, you'll receive your curriculum overview. This guide will help you learn more about the program and walk you through Experience Toddler. Experience Toddler is a 4-part system. First, plan. Get ready to engage children's curiosity by using the planning calendars and 80 experience activities from the teacher guides. Next, play and experience hands-on learning. Explore 4 new books each month. Enjoy loose parts play, color, collage, and create sticker art. Then connect with families. Build relationships with the child's family by sending home weekly newsletters. Finally, observe and document growth. Follow the child's progress with embedded assessments and activity modification tips. Record achievements on the child's individual assessment form or in the Brightwheel app. The Continuum of Skills will be a great resource as you plan and make goals for the toddlers in your care and develop 35 skills through playful activities. Every month of learning is carefully planned to incorporate a balance of skills across all areas of child development. With the Getting Started kit, find the pocket cube. Young children learn through sensory experiences as they listen, see, and touch objects in their surrounding environment. Your Experience Toddler kit includes cube cards that support early literacy skills by adding life to stories, songs, and games. Place the picture cards in a pocket cube so toddlers can touch and safely explore them. Circle time board title cards and a weather station are included in the Getting Started kit. Additional circle time materials will come in your kit each month. A daily routine can help children feel safe and confident so they can learn and take risks throughout the day. Use the Toddler Daily Routine cards to create a picture schedule to help children understand the flow of the day. The group title routine cards engage children in a routine of singing, playing, and learning during the 4 recommended short daily group times. The Circle Time bag includes the Welcome to All About Me guide, observation and documentation planning calendar, individual assessment forms, additional circle time displays, music CD, and manipulatives. A Getting Started booklet is included in each month to guide you through using the Toddler curriculum. Each month, find new Learning Center ideas and everything you need to know to make the most of Experience Toddler. We provide the following materials you can use during circle time each month: shape and color cards, Forest Friends character trait, a number card, and weather and calendar materials. Each month you will get a new interactive nursery rhyme poster. The poster includes 5 finger play pieces that you can cut apart. Use tape or hook and loop fasteners to attach the finger play pieces to the wall or board. These finger play pieces allow toddlers to interact with the finger play rhyme and remove and hold the picture cards during the routine. Each month you will receive an album with 5 ways to explore music and movement, including creative movement, group dance, coordination, rhythm patterns, and sound and sights. It also includes letter songs and audio stories that coordinate with the books included in your kit. Manipulatives are provided to facilitate math concepts and encourage hands-on, playful learning. Manipulatives will vary from month to month. Use the assessment prompts identified with a star in the teacher guides to guide your observations. Record the child's demonstrated skill level on the group assessment form. Communicate with families by recording your observations on the individual assessment form or in the Brightwheel app. Each child receives a monthly assessment report to put in their portfolio or to send home. In each of the weekly bags, you'll find a weekly calendar, family newsletters, teacher guide, storybook and storytelling magnets, letter cards, sign language cards, child art supply packs, and games, art, math, and literacy materials. Let's take a closer look at the items included in the weekly bags. Get ready to engage children's curiosity by using the weekly planning calendars that reference the 20 activities featured in your weekly guidebook. Build relationships with the child's family by sending home weekly newsletters. Each newsletter summarizes the activities the child will explore that week. Together Time Ideas encourage learning at home with these fun book and outdoor suggestions. Weekly teacher guides include 20 cards for a total of 80 activities per month. Leave the cards in the book or cut them out for grab-and-go learning. Weekly activities are planned around the featured book. A full daily lesson plan has 4 color-coded activities, 1 for each learning domain. You can mix and match cards to create your own lesson plan. Just grab one of each color for a balanced learning experience across all domains. To begin, simply find all the cards with the number 1 on the back of the card. Those will be your lessons for one day. Then locate the supplies included in your pack and you are ready to play. Toddlers learn best through play and sensory discovery. The activity cards describe how to set up the activity and support the child. Setup is simple, with the supplies listed on each card. Supplies that are included in your weekly toolkit are checked off on the supplies list. We know children develop at their own pace, so we offer 2 levels of interaction for each activity. As you play, simplify or increase the challenge to match the development level of each child. Each activity intentionally embeds 1 to 2 skills. As the child plays, use the question prompts to guide your observations. Each month features 4 types of books that support key social, emotional, and emergent literacy skills. Follow the Path books expand vocabulary with photos. Toddlers will explore each reading and writing skills by tracing over the path from left to right on each page. These books reinforce direction of text and eye-hand coordination. Nurture social skills through stories of friendship and value with a book from the Forest Friends series each month. Nursery rhyme board books strengthen listening and communication skills when toddlers find new pictures and words in this exclusive book series. Expand imagination by getting to know story characters, acting out their obstacles and how they solve problems with each original storybook. Coordinating storytelling magnets allows the children to retell the story and extend learning through literacy games. Each week you have 5 ways to explore within each domain. Toddlers will enjoy a variety of games and activities each week to stimulate growth across all areas of development, including exploring a new letter and its sound by singing and by playing a letter game. Or signing each time a word is heard in the story or song. Sign language supports a toddler's development language skills. 2 signs are introduced each week. Look for a child art supplies pack and additional art resources in each weekly bag to explore art and drama through painting, sticker art, dramatic play, collaging, and coloring. Your weekly supply bag will also include games, math, and literacy resources, like counting and sorting mats to use with the manipulatives, as well as additional art supplies like paper and sticker pages. We hope you have fun experiencing Toddler with your children.